Alright, oops, I accidentally I accidentally clicked the streaming button, but alright, we're just gonna quickly go into these characters. I'm gonna be straight up. I don't think they're anything special. I think they're pretty standard changes. I do like that they gave them both frenzy. So we are going to be going over Tech Amagai and Speed Ashido. So going into them, just very quick and brief. 40% devastation and frenzy, pretty standard for characters with frenzy. Honestly, he does have burn on quite a few of his attacks. I honestly don't play with Amagai. I don't really like or care for his kit. If you like these characters, they're actually, in my opinion, they seem on paper like they're going to be serviceable. That being said, Ashido does get a buff with a 20% havoc instead of 5%. So that's good at the very least. And he's getting a 10% strong attack recharge link, which is excellent considering that before it's a plus 40 attack. Like, that's trash. What I don't like, though, is that we are getting another green last ditch survival rate. The reason I don't like this is simply because I feel like we need a last ditch survival for... I'm not sure if we have one for speed, and I would definitely like one for heart, and maybe another one for mind. Right now we only have full hollow Ichigo, so I would personally like that. But I mean, these characters are, at the end of the day, they're just gonna be orbs for now. Their kits aren't really all that, and I really don't know what else to say. I will say that Amagai is a Tech Soul Reaper killer, and honestly, there's so much competition that these characters aren't. I feel like everyone's just gonna have someone that's better or more ideally suited for whatever they need to take care of. Like Amagai, for example, you have Tag Team Toshiro's, Tech Rukia, Shunsui with Lacerate, and Tech Hogyoku Aizen. And then for autoing characters, you have Kensei, and then you have Tesla, right? And that's with the Soul Reaper killer, right? And then you have Ashido, who's a Hollow killer. And honestly, Speed has so many Hollow killers that it's just insane for him to ever try to even attempt to compete. You have Thousand Year Blood War Shunsui and Yoruichi. You have Cacao Society Yoruichi. You have Speed Sajin. There's new Speed Renji. Speed... trying to think. And you have Parasoul now, and she's Bay, so I don't know. I really don't care for it. Shout out to Raleigh. Thank you for updating BBS News. Please join the Discord, link in the description. And if you guys would do me the favor and check out the Alchemist Code summons that I'm going to upload later on today. I'll probably be premiering it sometime around 5 p.m. Something like that when everyone's getting out of class. That way everyone can just chill. I do have my girl here, so I don't know if y'all want me to live stream. Maybe we can stream together, do something. I don't know. I'm not trying to do no mukbang, though. That's not the type of banging I want to personally do. So I'm going to leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch him up, pin me up, stay blessed. Wish you the best luck here, summons, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good night, and I'm sorry for giving y'all notifications if it was for the stream. Stay blessed, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.